Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the host. Pick Ubuntu or Docker and ensure 2+ CPU cores and 2 GB RAM. Install Nginx with the Nginx Rtmp module or pull an Nginx Rtmp Docker image. This gives you the RTMP endpoint quickly. Once done, edit Nginx. Conf to add an RTMP block and a basic application named Live. Set live on and record off. Make sure firewall rules open TCP 1935 and 80/443 so ingest and playback can reach the server. You now configure the streaming behaviors. In Nginx, conf add application settings including stream key handling and publish permissions. Enable HLS for browser playback. Set HLS on, point HLS path to a web-accessible folder, and tune HLS fragment and playlist length for latency versus stability. Once configured, create a simple web server block to serve the HLS folder over HTTP/HTTPS. Make sure to reload Nginx. Test by pushing a stream with OBS to RTMP / your server /live /Yorkie to verify segments appear. You finish by hardening and observing. Enable HTTPS for HLS, rotate stream keys, and restrict publisher IPs if needed. This prevents hijacking. Set up log rotation and an RTCP/RTMP stat page or Prometheus exporter to monitor connections and bandwidth. Once done, simulate failovers and ensure storage permissions allow Nginx to write HLS files. If something breaks, first verify firewall and port 1935. Then confirm the exact stream key, inspect Nginx error logs, and run ffprobe against the ingest to pinpoint the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.